If you're planning to start a business in Mississippi, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Mississippi, even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why form an LLC in Mississippi? For one, you have personal liability protection. That means your home, car, and personal savings stay separate from your business debts or legal claims, giving you peace of mind as a business owner. You have flexible management and tax benefits because all LLCs enjoy pass-through taxation, which means profits are taxed only once on your personal return, no corporate level taxes, and you have a simplified formation and operation. Mississippi has streamlined LLC laws that makes forming and running an LLC straightforward. You just have to stay compliant every single year. After that is choosing a name for your Mississippi LLC. Now you need to make sure that the name that you choose for your LLC is unique and must be distinguishable from existing business in Mississippi. It should include LLC or limited liability company and avoid restricted terms like bank, insurance, corporation, government, bureau, or trust or corporation that are reserved for specific entity types. Now, all I have to do is very simple. Go to the Mississippi Secretary of State Business Search to check the availability of your desired name. Now enter your business name. If no matching results appear, your name is available and good to go. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. After choosing your LLC name, now we need to choose a registered agent. The registered agent receives all the legal documents and state notices. They must have a physical address in Mississippi, must be available during business hours, and if you wanted to act as your own registered agent, you can do so, provided that you meet all the state legal requirement. But what we suggest is to hire a professional formation service like LegalZoom, more of that later in this video, if you want privacy and compliance support. Now, it's time to officially register your LLC by filing the Certificate of Formation. This crucial step must be done by going to the Mississippi Secretary of State website, click on the business service, select Register an LLC, and complete the Certificate of Formation form. You'll have to provide the LLC name, register agent, details, business email address, and there is going to be a filing fee of $50 and the processing times usually approved within 1 to 2 business days. Although Mississippi doesn't require an operating agreement, it is highly recommended. An operating agreement outlines the ownership percentage, management structure, profit and loss distribution, helping protect your LLC status and avoids future disputes. Next is we need to get an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Once your LLC is officially formed, the next step is making sure you're fully compliant. Of course, you need to register for state taxes and license, and you can do this by going to the Mississippi Department of Revenue. This allows your LLC to handle state obligations like sales tax, withholding tax, or other applicable business taxes. Of course, you also need to check the local business license or permits because these requirements can vary depending on your city, county, and the type of business you're running. So it's important to verify what applies to your location. And you make sure that you are aware of some industries require specialized permits, like business and food service, tobacco, or alcohol sales often need extra approvals before operating legally. Now that your Mississippi LLC is set up, there are a couple of ongoing requirements you need to stay on top to keep your business in good standing, which is the annual report filing and maintaining a registered agent. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including Mississippi. The good news is, if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. Let's say you choose the first option. You need to enter your desired business name and click the next button if you want to skip and decide later. And of course, we need to choose the state. And that's going to be Mississippi. Now, if you want to provide your email and phone number, you can do that, but if you can also skip it. It's time to select the industry. In our case, that's going to be affiliate marketing. Remember to use the affiliate link in the video description to get started with LegalZoom. There are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And that's it on how to register an LLC in Mississippi, from choosing your business name to filing with the Secretary of State and getting your EIN. The process is straightforward when you know what to do. It is a solid choice for small business owners and first-time entrepreneurs. The filing process is super simple, the state fees are affordable, and there's no annual report fee, which keeps long-term low costs. Now, if you're starting a local business or want a low-maintenance LLC, Mississippi makes it easy to get started and stay compliant. But if you want a truly hassle-free experience, using LegalZoom is hands down the easiest way to go. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.